This is a guide to wearing a sports cap with a ponytail. You will need 1. A sports cap, 2. A hair tie, and of course you'll need long hair. Of course, you could just plonk the sports cap on your head, but that's not a great look, nor is it comfortable when it's hot. Alternatively, you could pull your hair back and then secure it with your cap, but again, it's not a great option. Another option is to tie a very low ponytail that hugs your nape, but in the heat, that can get very uncomfortable, especially if you have thick curly hair. Yet another option is to tie a fairly low ponytail and then pull it through the opening at the back of your cap. But if your cap has Velcro, that can be pretty painful, and in order to get it neat and tight, you'd have to readjust the hair tie anyway. So here's what I do. 1. Twist your hair as if you were preparing a chiffon, and then wrap it over your index finger, holding it between your thumb and middle finger. 2. Place the cap over your head. 3. Feed the tightly wrapped hair through the opening and let go. 4. Then apply the hair tie. Et voilà! A tight, neat ponytail with no fuss. Let's see it from the side. Twist your hair as if you were preparing a chiffon, and then wrap it over your index finger, holding it between your thumb and middle finger. 2. Place the cap over your head. 3. Feed the lightly wrapped hair through the opening and let go. 4. Apply the hair tie. Et voilà! Thanks for watching, and let me know if this helps you.